Good day, everyone. My name is Angela, and I'm here to introduce Doctora Morales, who has just come from Tacloban. And I would like her to tell her story as what she went through in Tacloban. One of our objectives is really to have people help us with the donations for the children, as there are many children in the evacuation centers. Doctora, would you please introduce yourself and tell people the conditions in Tacloban and the conditions of the hospital that you were working at in Tacloban and what is happening with the children in the evacuation centers?
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Judith Morales. I am an obstetrician gynecologist from Tacloban City. I work in the Weinward Hospital as a private practitioner. But now we are out of job because, as you have known, Tacloban is hardly hit by the Typhoon Yolanda. And there were a lot of destruction, devastation in our place, leaving only about 20% of the buildings and all the houses in that vicinity. I've been born in Tacloban. I was born for 50 years. I've been living in Tacloban, and it's really hurting to see that my city is already very much devastated. As of the moment, our place is lacking from electricity. We don't have food. In fact, today it's the 8th day since I left Manila, Tacloban, to go to Manila. Really, we haven't even received one relief goods in our place. It was only on our way to the airport to leave Tacloban when we saw that barangay chairman who was distributing this food relief, and then we were able to get a relief for our family. They give us about 3 kilos of relief good and 1 luncheon meat. We were 10 in the family, so I really don't know how I can feed my family with just 1 can of luncheon meat and 3 kilos of rice. So I really decided to ask for help, especially when I went to the evacuation centers, wherein many children were not being given food since the relief goods were containing only the can like luncheon meat and sardines and then rice. There was no allocation for milk for these children. So since I have been working with relief for almost 3 years from now and have been using the product for 3 years, and then I have experienced the good benefits of this good nutrition for my patients, I decided to come to Relief and ask from the Calugris Foundation to ask for some donations so that I can help in the feeding of these children who sooner will be dying of infections, lack of food, than malnutrition later on. So before this will happen, since they were survivors, we were survivors of this deadly typhoon, I really made a move to go to Manila and see Angela, my presidential ambassador in Relief, so that she can help me in asking for donations for these poor people who are staying in our place. This is the first time that I have done this in my life. We really are ashamed to ask for donations. If possible, I don't want to do this. But since nobody will do it if I will not do it myself, since if I will depend on the relief goods, they're really not arriving on time. They are so slow in giving this relief goods. I don't know what is happening to them. We don't know their system. But what I know is that we are not receiving the relief goods that we should be receiving. So now, after I saw the devastation, especially after this storm, the next day after this storm, when I went to the hospital, I saw all the dead bodies. When I walked to the hospital, which is 7 kilometers from our place, we have to climb up the post and all this debris, which were mountain high, so that we can just go to the hospitals, because I operated on a patient the day before the storm came up. So I have to visit my patient, and I was also disheartened when I see that also my hospital was destroyed, including my clinic. So the first floor of the hospital was submerged with water. All the glass doors and the were destroyed. Our pharmacy was submerged with water. Our dietary was already also flooded so that they cannot anymore cook food for our patients. So I saw my patients who were suffering from hunger. They don't have anymore, we don't have dextrose because all the medicines in the pharmacy were flooded. So what we have to do is, I have to give them oral food. So what can I give them when we don't have the dietary already? So good that I thought of Relief. I brought it with me, the Power 3, the Relief Now, Energize, and Fiber Store. I had already it mixed in with water in our home. So they drank it and they were so happy that at least they were nourished for that day. What they were thinking was the next day, were they going to get the food after another day? So after that day, when I came back, I again saw all the dead people on the streets, and you will really cry for pity for all those people who have died untimely. So now our problem is for these living patients, these living people in Tacloban, where will we get food? And especially these children who are not provided with the milk that they need, being at the age of 1 year old to 3 and up to 5 years old. So since it is our duty to take care of this under 6 children, then we should provide food for them. So I remembered Calugris Foundation, who are always there to help feed the people to avoid this malnutrition. So I came here to Manila and asked for help. Now, in the distribution of this food, we want to concentrate on the people who are living in the evacuation centers. In our place, in Tacloban City, we have 20 evacuation centers, as I have talked to the DSWD, and in one evacuation center, the Astrodome, they have 680 children in that place. And in the other centers, they have 200, 500, 400 children in other evacuation centers. So if we can get donations, one can of Relief Now for Kids can feed 50 children in a day. So if anyone, especially our relief distributors, if they can give a donation, even only one can from each of us, then you can be helping 50 children in a day. So I'm really appealing to your benevolent heart. If you could help us feed these children, please give your donations. Little or small or big, it would mean a lot.
Can you tell Doctora where they can call and how they are able to give these donations?
Now, if you want to donate, you can just if you want to donate, you can direct it to Relief Office. The number is 812-6889. Please request the products to be sent to Doctora Morales for the children of Tacloban. Because I know that there are also a lot of places who have been hit by the storm. But since I am a Taclobanon and we are the hardest hit of all the places in the Philippines, then I really want that my children in Tacloban can have this feeding that we have in Calugris Foundation. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all.